Hey YouTube, welcome back to Mike's PokeTube. Today we are opening the second of our best of 2015 tins. This is the Thundurus EX tin. Now basically what they did, they took a Team Plasma tin and the same promo card, and they put different booster packs in it for the best of 2015. So you get one XY pack, two Flashfire packs, and one Plasma Powers pack. I'm pretty happy with that, so let's open it up. The reason the plastic isn't on it is because I opened it before the video, so I didn't have any hassles like I did last time. Hopefully we can streamline this. So let's see. On the back, obviously, it tells you get 4 booster packs, 1 of 3 powerful foil EX cards, and a bonus code for online gaming. The bonus code will go to you guys for sure. So right there you can see the Thundurus EX, which is Black White 81 Black Star promo. It looks really nice. Let's get it out of there and sleeve it up. There she is. Wow. If you guys can hear my cat in the background, don't mind her. I put her in the other room for the video so she doesn't get in the way, and she's scratching at the door. Sorry about that. So next up, here's your code card for the deck, and then here's the packs. Here, I'll just flip that so I know. Here's the packs. Whoops. We have a Genesect pack art, a Yveltal pack art, and 2 Pyroar pack arts. I'm going to try and preserve those because I don't have any of them yet, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so I think we should start oldest to newest, right? So let's go with the Plasma Blast. Genesect EX pack art. Let's see what's inside here. I'll give you guys the code to this one. There you go. Card trick. Sorry about the disruption. So we got a Kangaskhan, a Shelmet, an Axu, a Muna, a Draudigen, a Relicanth Team Plasma card, a Root Fossil Lileep, sorry, an Iris, a Lyron Reverse Holo, it's just an uncommon, and a Team Plasma Dialga EX. That's a nice pull. Really beautiful card there. Look at that. So we're going to sleeve that up right away. Just give me a moment. Well, that's a good start to this pack. There you go. We'll show you again. Dialga EX. Wow. So next up, we'll open the XY base set. Put that code away for another day. Okay, so we have Pumpkaboo, Bidoof, a Skiddo, a Pansear, a Honedge, a Fletchinder, a Solrock, a Volbeat, a Rhyperior Reverse Holo, and a regular Grumpig Rare. So nothing too great about that pack, but with the last pack I'm not complaining. So next up, our first Pyroar pack from the Flashfire series. So let's open her up. Three, two, put it behind there, and let's go. So we got a Buizel, a Pineco, a Binacle, a Roselia, a Stunky, a Furfrou, a Rapidash, a Trick Shovel, and a Snorlax Reverse Holo, and a regular Fortress Rare. Fortress, sorry. So we'll just throw that in the regular pile. And then the last Pyroar pack from the Flashfire series. I did a good job with that last pack art, so I'm not so worried about this one. So if you stuck around for the video, good for you. Here's your code. Keep on sticking around, you'll get more. Thank you. I appreciate every watch. So let's see what we get. We got a Flabébé, a Duskull, a Pidgey. Sorry about that, my alarm went off. A Seedot, a Luxio, a Startling Megaphone, a Pidgeotto, a Pidgeot Reverse Holo Rare, and a regular Luxray Rare. You know what, to be honest, I really like the art on this Pidgeot, so even though it's only a Reverse Holo, I think it's nice. I'm not complaining. I got that EX, the Dialga EX, and that together. It makes for a nice tin. So we'll recap again. The promo card, the Thundurus EX, Team Plasma, and then a Dialga EX, Team Plasma. So honestly, for a tin, one EX card, it's a good pull. I'm not complaining. That's number 2 of my tins. There's going to be 2 more. We'll see what happens with them. I'll catch you guys next time. Like, rate, subscribe, and comment in the section below. Let me know what you think. We'll try and make the videos better every video. Thanks a lot. Catch you later.